Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Lisa and today I have some products from Mystiq Living that are meant for oily acne prone skin. You guys know I have an extremely oily and very acne prone skin, so I always look for products that can help me with my acne and acne marks. So these are products from Mystiq Living that I have been trying for some time now, and I am going to share my routine with you guys, and I am going to give a detailed review about these products. So these products I have picked up from Amazon. These are available on Amazon. Also you can buy these products from Mystiq Living official website, but I have purchased this from Amazon. This is a combo kit. There are 3 products in this combo kit. So I'm going to talk about all these products in detail. So the first product that we have in this combo kit is their toner. This is Green Tea Clarity Toner and Face Mist. This Green Tea Clarity Toner and Face Mist from Mystiq Living is for oily acne prone skin. This toner cleanses deeply and tightens pores. It provides deep hydration as well. This is a 200 ml bottle retailing for only 399 rupees. It has all the natural ingredients like gotu-kola, green tea, rose, vitamin E. It also has tea tree oil and witch hazel and many more interesting plant-based ingredients. And it comes with a very efficient spray nozzle, guys. Just look at how efficiently the product sprays out. I have cleansed my face with a very mild cleanser and there is no product on my face. Look at this amazing spray, guys. Very efficient. I will spray this toner all over my face directly. This feels so soothing, guys, and feels so refreshing. It provides an instant hydration to our face and prepares our skin for the next skincare routine. I will let it dry down on its own. We don't have to wipe it out. So the next product in the kit is their Green Tea Clarity Face Mask. This fades out our marks and acne scars and clarifies our skin. This Green Tea Clarity Face Mask from Mystiq Living prevents acne, clarifies skin and fades out marks and acne scars. This mask has all plant-based ingredients like green tea, neem, basil, cinnamon, aloe vera gel, olive oil, coconut oil, green tea oil and many more ingredients. All these ingredients acts on our active acne and reduce inflammation. This is an Ayurvedic formula that reduces sebum production and also reduces acne causing bacteria. This is a very thick mask that is kind of a pale yellow color and has an earthy smell to it. I apply this face mask after cleansing my face at my nighttime skincare routine only. I apply a decent amount of this face mask directly to my face with this mask brush all over my face and my neck. I apply a very thick layer of this. This mask has kind of a granulated texture to it. I will wait for around 15 to 20 minutes until the mask dries down completely. I will wash off the mask with plain water. You guys can actually see how it has removed all the excess oil, sebum and dead skin cell from my skin. It makes my skin feel so soft and supple instantly. Absolutely love this mask, guys. It gives an instant glow to my skin and is the best mask for oily skin, guys. And the third product that we have in this combo kit is their day and night gel. This is their green tea clarity day and night gel. This day and night gel from Mystiq Living is formulated with green tea, aloe vera gel, almond oil, honey, saffron, tea tree oil, vitamin E, neem and lot of natural ingredients that reduce sebum production on our skin and prevents oiliness. Green tea is a very powerful antioxidant and tea tree oil in the gel kills acne forming bacteria. This gel has chamomile that fades away acne spots and removes scars. All these plant-based ingredients are very helpful in preventing acne and reducing inflammation. This gel has no paraben and no silicone. This is a very lightweight gel that gets absorbed into our skin almost instantly and it smells wonderful, guys. This gel is amazing for oily skin. It does not make my skin feel sticky or greasy at all. This gel smells so refreshing, guys. I apply a decent amount of this gel all over my face and my neck and massage this gel in an upward motion. This gel provides an instant hydration to my face. It makes my skin look so soft and so supple. It very efficiently reduces my pimple and fades out my acne marks. I am so happy with this gel. Absolutely great for all these products in this entire kit are really very good for oily acne prone skin. I have noticed like my skin is less oily now and my acne are also under control now. I am not getting so much breakout on my skin anymore. Acne marks will take time to fade. It is not like an instant process. It is a continuous process. You have to work continuously on your acne marks for it to fade. But these products really are helping, and the mask especially is very nice. If you have active acne, if you use this mask, you will see instantly how wonderfully it controls your acne. It reduces the inflammation and reduces the bacteria that actually causes acne. So this face mask is my favorite one out of all this, and this gel is perfect for oily skin, guys. It gets absorbed into our skin instantly and makes our skin so soft and smooth in the morning. So I really like this gel. So all the details about Mystiq Living and the combo kit will be in my description box. I will put all the links to all these products in my description box. Do not forget to check them out. I have purchased this from Amazon, although you can buy these products from Mystiq Living official website as well. I hope you enjoyed today's video and my routine as well. I will catch you guys next week with something new. Until then, take care. Bye bye.